I'm looking at the Greenworks reciprocating saw. Now it's the foot there to release. You can release the foot from there. Stabilising foot, that comes out. And your blade releases here. Just got a couple of blades. I'll stick a... Comes with a couple of blades. There's a wood one and a metal one. Goes in the slot. Release that. And locks in. And it doesn't come with a battery or a charge pack, but I've got a battery and a charge pack, and I shall give it a test out. That's reversible. And I shall give it a test out. Let's adjust the foot. So you can adjust that. You can adjust the foot to what you want, height you want. Lock that down. And I'm going to try it with a couple of cuts. Quickly through that, and of course change the remove the battery when you're changing the blade, and I shall give it another test. I've changed the blade over to the metal blade, and I'm going to give it a try on a bit of plate. There we go, that's it. Not the prettiest of cuts, but then it's not designed to make pretty cuts, just quick and effective cuts. Yeah, it all seems to work very well. As I say, if you're changing the blade, anything you change over, make sure you take the battery out. Blade will be still a bit hot, so I'm not going to touch it, and you can remove the foot and cut with that. I shall come back with my review.